All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Challenger. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch here. Looks to be 3, 6, about 8 to 9 inches right there, as you can see. Bro, hood looks good. Front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Not very minimal, about 3 inches there. Here's your rear, your front driver's rim. Tire thread is just under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. You see some curbing. Nope. And your tire thread here is under 7/32. Here's a nice shot of the roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, you have power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. Likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Jump into this vehicle, turn it off for you guys. Push start system. Does come with two key fob combos. Boom. 2 keys and 2 key fob combos. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM CD player, AM FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls. Let me turn on the lights. AC controls right down below. You got an instrument cluster on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure light and need some gas, but that's not really a light. And then 5,610 miles on this beauty. Put up the thing here. Foil it. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear lift gate looks good. There's a rear trunk space, pretty big and spacious. Do have a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right over there. All right, this quarter looks pretty good. Does have a little ding here. Some paint off. Yeah, some paint off, little ding there. It's your rear driver's rim. Rear passenger rim, apologize. Rear passenger rim. Tire thread here is under 7/32. Double check that. That is just under 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear, your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. There you go. This fender looks pretty good. There's some glue down there. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Entire thread is just under 7/32. My guy is touching that up, so that looks nice. All right, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, lights are working. Once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Challenger SXT model. It's beautiful black on black with 5,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.